Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the FVSCHEDULE function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function will return the future value of an initial principal after applying a series of compound interest rates. So you can work with just one interest rate or a series of different interest rates as well. So to be able to use this function, we only need two arguments. So we need the principal and the interest rates that will be used. So basically the present value of our principal and an array of interest rates that will be applied to our principal. Now, let's try this function just here. So let's say we have an interest of 1,200 and we decide to apply our function, which in our case will be FVSCHEDULE. So we can select it right here. We can open up our parentheses and we will select at first our principal that is right here, and we decide just to apply our 9% that is right here. So what's going to happen is that only the 9% will be applied to the 1,200, which will be $108. So as you can see right here, it has been applied and it's $1,308. Now, if we want to apply this interest rate and this interest rate right here, how exactly are we going to proceed? So pretty simple. We are going to open up these parentheses right here, and then we can enter the numbers that we want to work with. So in our case, we want to work with 9% as well as 14%. So here we go. We have our 9% and our 14%. And just like that, little mistake right there. We need to enter a little dot. Here we go. And just like that, we are able to have our FVSCHEDULE function applied to the arguments that are below, and the interest rates, well, the 9% as well as the 14% have been applied to our principal of $1,200. So this is how we use the FVSCHEDULE function inside of Microsoft Excel. So once again, if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out my courses in the link down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.